Ready to unlock Kvcore's hidden potential and transform how your title company collaborates with real estate agents? Let's dive in. First, log into your Kvcore account. If you don't have one, reach out to Kvcore support to explore partnership options. Once you're in, navigate to the Smart CRM. This is where you'll manage your agent and client contacts. Think of it as your digital Rolodex, but way more powerful. Click Add Contact to input agent information. Be sure to include their brokerage, contact details, and any specialties they have. Use tags to categorize them, like top producer or luxury market expert. Now, let's explore marketing Autopilot. Here's where the magic happens. Set up automated email campaigns to agents, providing valuable insights like market trends and closing tips. Share articles, infographics, or even short videos that establish you as a trusted resource. Customize your email templates with your branding and a personal touch. Mention recent successes or congratulate agents on achievements. Utilize the tasks feature to stay organized and ensure smooth communication throughout the closing process. Assign tasks to yourself or team members, setting deadlines and reminders for key milestones like title searches and document reviews. Encourage agents to download the Kvcore Mobile App. This allows for seamless communication and real-time updates on transaction progress, fostering transparency and collaboration. By leveraging Kvcore's features, title companies can build stronger relationships with real estate agents, streamline the closing process, and ultimately, close more deals. That's it for this quick Kvcore tutorial for title companies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.